Cool. In this video, I would like to show you how you can fix your YouTube application not responding in your Android device. So what you're supposed to do is just get into your phone settings. After getting into your phone settings, you just need to go to where we have apps management, but in some SIM, the earlier version of Android, we have app and notification, but in the latest Android is app management. Then you just select app list. So you shall get all the apps here, but now what you shall do is shall just scroll to where you get the YouTube app. So the YouTube app is here. Then you just need to come to where we have the storage and coach option. You can try first to clear the coach. So let us wait it to recompute. So it is recomputing and it is good. If you try to clear the coach and the problem is not solved, it is advisable to clear the storage. So this clearing the storage, the YouTube app will delete some metadata, including file setting, which will be deleted permanently from the device. So in case it is not responding, you can take this risk and clear the storage. But in my case, since I have some important videos already saved in my gadget, or not take this both step. But in your case, it is not responding, it is not working, so you can take the both step and do that. So let me cancel, but you can delete and it will be reset again and it will start operating as normal. So this is my YouTube app and it is now operating as normal. So you can just clear coach or just clear storage and you're good to go. Thank you for watching and God bless you.